Good morning, guys. I just want to show you the fan that I got on Amazon. I just feel like this. I enjoy it. It is definitely worth the money. So here we go. I turned it on. What else it does, guys? I just love it. And I mean, it is just the right size, speed. I mean, the air comes out like an AC. I mean, it's like you have a mini air conditioner. And I mean, it's nice. Perfect. So if you're interested, hey, go get one.
So this is my Dreo fan. The first one I got I had problems with, and so I was very disappointed. But this one, and let me just say, they actually replaced it really quickly, really fast, and I'm so pleased. I love this fan. It has 4 different speed settings. I'm using the remote. That's the slowest. Go up to the second, third, here a little bit, fourth. This is as loud as it gets, and this is the oscillating feature. I really like that. As you can see, it makes a good wide sweep. I've also got turned off the sound. You have a timer. You have a setting where you can set it to the actual weather outside, and it'll change temperatures. So anyway, I would not hesitate to buy it again. I absolutely love my fan. Not only that, these people have the best customer service I have ever had in my life. They replaced my fan that quit working in days. Absolute days. So don't hesitate. If you're looking for a good fan, this is one to choose.
Hello everyone, this is the Dreo fan with 4 speeds. Really nice fan. I like the 4 speeds. 8-hour timer. Nice cute little remote. The problem with this fan I have is Well, the screen is nice. The oscillating is nice and slow, which I don't mind. But at least on the device, I really wish that, again, especially fans being that are over $40, $50, at least over 50, really should have at least LEDs on the device, especially when it oscillates, the whole device moves. Like this whole thing moves with it, so it's not in a certain spot where you know where it is. You have to like move with it, and not everyone is going to have the remote with them. Unless you have this in a room, a specific room, you have this in a specific spot, and you don't move it much. Obviously this is fine, but the battery can will die on this. So maybe at least for the price point, add at least LED lights on the buttons. So it's essentially made them touch anyway. Might as well put in a little LED light behind them. And have maybe also an option to turn the light on or off. Your choice. But overall, still a really good fan. I enjoy it.
It won't come on, for starters. And when it do come on, it flickers. Let me unplug it. I'm gonna plug it back in. The socket is plugged in.
I just might need to fix that. Don't lose it, reuse it. This old cookie sheet's perfect. It fits. Hammer.
Okay. Let me try a different socket.
She'll pop big as soon as you see something.
Okay. I'm gonna try a different socket really quick. Okay. So it's plugged into the socket. I'm gonna go to my laundry basket. So it's plugged into the socket. Let me.
Hi, little grandpa. Guess what? Mr. Alex is gonna make your famous no-cook.
That's kind of what it does.
Is that okay?
Just be careful.
I will. How's the mini patrol?
There, Alex, we're gonna have to open the cafe soon. Please don't make a mess with that pudding.
I will. Bye, little grandpa.
Okay, I thought I'd already done this, but I'm doing it again. This is the Dreo home fan, $59.99. I basically like it, but you'll see why. It will rotate, which is great, and the remote control it's pretty clear once you figure it out. That will make it rotate. I just stopped the rotation. And this is the 2-speed. Beautiful, quiet. The 1-speed. Whisper quiet. 2. And here's the problem. 3-speed, extremely loud. It's a rattling sound from the construction of the product. Bad design. 4 is even worse. It's really a shame because it gives a really very, very good breeze. Everything else about this product is excellent. I'm going to give it a 2.
remote shuts it off, turns it back on, it goes high. Oops. I guess I'm not in front of it. Yeah, you can turn it up high. That's number 4. It goes really well. I love this fan. Okay, oh, turn it down. And you can stop the pivoting with the remote. Awesome fan. So glad I purchased it.
I've owned this fan now for 2 weeks. The first week it was completely silent. The second week it started humming like this. What's strange is if I turn it upside down, the humming goes away and it goes back to being silent the way it was when I first bought it. When I flip it, hum, no hum, silent, hum. Why? And so now, as you can tell, it's humming and it gets worse. Listen to the rattling. It stops if I turn it upside down.
This is the highest speed of the Dreo, and as you can see, it's blowing my papers all over the place. I love the rotating feature. My air conditioning went out last week for 1 day, and this really helped me a lot. I would recommend this purchase.
Este ventilador Dreo que compré por Amazon no está funcionando bien. Se apaga, prende, gira, se detiene, sube, baja. Funciona todo menos del ventilador en sí para que las aspas giren. Es un producto fallido.
And it comes with a remote. You can pause it. We're right here. And this one. You can also adjust it.
pull her phone up because this might take a couple minutes.
There's a rattling noise of some type. Rattling noise gone when it's flipped up. Rattling noise returns. I guess it's going back.
Fan will oscillate for a short time, and then all of a sudden it just kind of stops and shuts down. Oh, there it did. It just stopped and shut down.
exclusive after the forecast with Danny Beckstrom. Danny, any period that we're going to actually feel like some of this week?
Well, you think eventually, right? Well, by this weekend, we expect an uptick in humidity and our temperatures.
All right, cool.